Ladies, I told you I feel like we already know each other. And I want to relate to that woman out there that has a struggle and that has a hard time getting to the gym. I know it's not easy, ladies. Trust me, I know it's not. My journey, I have been through a really serious car accident. So me getting motivated to go to the gym, it's not easy. It's just something that I said I was going to dedicate to do for myself. You know what I do, ladies? This is what I do. Because I know we get so busy with our day-to-day lives. You want to know how I do this? I keep my gym clothes in the car. So I don't go home. Sometimes, ladies, I'm being honest with you, I change in the car. I change in the car, put my gym clothes on. I don't veer to come home. I go straight to the gym. And guess what? It starts there. You can't go home, because if you're like me, I don't like working out. But guess what? I like the way I feel after I work out. My joints are loose. I feel great. I start to look great. It helps with your skin. It helps with your digestion. It helps with your mood. It helps with everything. And if you have children, it gives you the patience. If you have a husband, it gives you more patience. You need to work out. It helps you feel great. You want that great skin. You want the collagen to start producing. You want all these things, but you have to work out, ladies. It is so essential. Make it a part of your diet. Make it part of your day. Make it part of your day-to-day living. Working out is important. Trust me. You want to look great and feel great? Put your gym clothes in the car and don't veer to go home. Go straight to the gym, ladies. Start there and then stay on the tips that I've told you about. I've shared with you the skincare of Total Activation. I've shared with you the nutrition program. I've shared all those with you. So I want you to go on this journey with me. Let's go on it together. And I will keep you motivated. If you stay totally activated, I will keep you motivated. Let's go.